In this video, we're going to take a look at Learning Goal 1A, which has to do with describing a pattern and describing whether it's linear or nonlinear and being able to explain your reasoning. So let's just jump right into it. So we can see that in this example, we've got these boxes that are made out of toothpicks. And in the first step, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 toothpicks. So I'll fill in 4 for that entry. For the second one, I can see that when I introduce a new box, I place it on the corner, so none of the legs of the box or none of the sides of the box get shared with the previous box. So ultimately, I'm just adding 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So since I'm introducing 4 more, 4 plus 4 is 8. I can see that the pattern will continue in the same fashion because creating them I'm creating the next step in the pattern in the exact same way. So here I get 12. So if we were to continue on here, we can see, uh, to answer the first question, is the relationship between the step number and the number of toothpicks linear or nonlinear? Well, yes, it is linear because each time we proceed from one step to the next, the number of toothpicks increases by 4. So since it always increases by 4, yes, this is linear. So this relationship is linear. And it's for the reasons that I just said earlier, because each time the step number increases by 1, the number of toothpicks always increases by 4. So this is linear. Linear means that it changes at the same rate. Goes up by 4 every time. So yes, linear. So that's my explanation. We also are going to make a graph. I should have a point at 1 comma 4. So perhaps I'll label this as 1, 4. This is 2, 8. And 3, 12. 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12. And here's my line. And just for bonus points, you could write an equation relating x and y, the step number x and the number of toothpicks y. And that would be, well, we can see that our y-intercept is 0. So we'll have y equals something x plus 0. And then the slope is 4 over 1. So we get 4x plus 0, or just y equals 4x. So that is the equation of this line. So of course it is linear because when we graph it we get a line. They have that constant increase of 4 for each step number. So that's it for this video. This is just a brief rundown of Learning Goal 1A, being able to identify whether a pattern is linear or not, and explain why. I'll see you in a future video.